In this video, I will show you how to recover your chess.com account. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a mobile internet browser. Next, what you want to do is come across to the following web address, which is support.chess.com. From here, what you're going to want to do is just scroll all the way down to the bottom until you get to the section that says to contact us. So it's going to be right down at the bottom. You'll see it here, it says contact us. So just go ahead and press on that. Next, what you want to do is just scroll down and click the orange contact us button. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down and click onto none of the above fits my request. And what that's going to do is bring up a screen like this. Now in the box, you're going to enter account recovery. And then what you want to do is press the green arrow button underneath. So now what you need to do is, in the details section, you just want to put as much information as you can. So you want to put something along the lines of, please, can you help me to recover my chess.com account? My details are as follows. What you then want to put is as much information as you can. So like, for example, the email that's linked. If you remember your username, you can also put that in, as well as your phone number and anything else you can think of that will help them to recover your account. So once that's done, what you now need to do is just fill in the rest of the form. So you just want to put your name in here. Then you want to put the email address that they can contact you at. And if you do remember your username, just put that in the box down here. And also, if you do know which email was linked to your chess.com account, then just go ahead and enter that in the box. And then all you want to do is press the green submit button. So once that's done, they will look into your request. Obviously, keep an eye on your email, because what they will do is contact you via that email to help you recover your account. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.